today we have this fully furnished modern Asian home located here in South Forbes, Silang Cavite. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation facing south, the area for your 4-vehicle carport. And before we enter, you will be welcomed or greeted by your koi panda. Ganda. 2 steps up dito sa inyong porch, you have your huge solid wood main door with your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering from your main door, you'll be greeted by your living or receiving space with double height ceiling, huge sliding door, and ganun din sa fixed window dun sa second floor. And ganda rin ng combination coming from the warm light dito sa inyong chandelier with cove light and track lights installed. Ganda, no? And in this space, we have your accent wall with your split type AC. So, ang ganda ng cross ventilation in this space. Especially, you have these huge sliding doors. And by the way, this property is Alexa powered. So, you can control the lightings and all through your mobile phone app or through Alexa. This property is selling as fully furnished. So lahat na makikita nyo are all included to the selling price. So, we have itong inyong bedroom 1 here dito sa inyong ground floor. So, if you have elderlies with you, so this is a perfect spot for them if ayaw nilang gumamit ng stairs. And again, fully furnished. So, enjoy. Enjoy with all of the furniture and appliances in this property. You have your queen-size bed, your sliding door, television set with your split-type AC. And in every space of this house, talagang meron silang accent wall, and itong mga interior design with your bamboo charcoal, yung kanilang ginamit ng ganda. You have your walk-in closet para well-organized itong room ninyo with your ensuite toilet and bath, under-mounted sink, your water closet, and the shower space with your shower head. With multi-purpose na rin yung shower head, no? Ganda, no? So this house is fully featured. And by the way, for the water closet, you have this kind of remote. So parang Okada finish yung bahay na. Well, if you've been to Okada, ganyan yung mga water closet nila doon. And by the way, for the doorknob nitong inyong indoor doors, automated na din. So very convenient and efficient to use din. In this spot, we have this accent wall with some plants. So, adding some welcoming or warm and cozy vibe in this space. Ang ganda rin ng fluted panels installed na nilagay nila. So, this is your powder room. Ayan. You have your huge vanity mirror. Again, with LED lights. Your accent sink. Meron bang gano'n? Accent sink. Ang ganda, no? Wall hang male urinal and your automated water closet. By the way, for the flooring, we have this porcelain tiles, matte texture, and it complements well dito sa interior design ng bahay, no? Ang ganda. And by the way, bago tayo pumunta rito, tingnan muna natin ito. So, ang ganda ng cross ventilation sa buong bahay, and if you decide no to reduce the use of your AC, pwede in this property because of these huge sliding doors. For the material used, these are high-grade aluminum and tempered glass. Imagine, laki nung kanilang sliding door. So we have your covered lanai. And if you are into alfresco, this is the perfect spot. Or doon sa inyong poolside. By the way, this lanai is covered by your tempered glass and metal frame. You can also utilize this space. Kunyari man, you have your bike, no? Pwede kayo maglagay dito or simply drying area after the laundry. Well, depende sa inyo. One thing to highlight in this space, we have itong inyong solar inverter. Ibig sabihin, this property has solar panel system. 10 kilowatts yung nakalagay. So, ibig sabihin, equivalent siya to 10,000 pesos monthly for your electric bill. So, for your lanai, for the flooring, porcelain tiles with wood grain design. Ganda in this space, especially if you have visitors. Pwede nyo i-enjoy yung outdoor space kung ayaw nyo pa doon sa swimming pool. And napansin ko din, this entire space itong left side ng property, totally covered by your canopy with your tempered glass hanggang doon. So, very convenient maglakad dito, no? Especially if you have your guests. Hindi kayo mababasa or covered kayo from outside elements. Okay. Close natin itong inyong sliding door. Ayan. So, dito sa dulo, one of the focal point itong property, itong inyong dining area. We already have this 10-seater dining table. So, kasama na to sa selling price. Talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo. Ang ganda in this space with the combination nitong inyong hanging lights. Warm and cozy vibe. Ang ganda rin ng fluted panels installed for your ceiling, adding some natural texture. Track lights installed on this side of the property. Ganda ng combination of natural light coming from your sliding window and your accordion sliding door. And you can also notice na binuksan na namin itong inyong accordion sliding doors. So kunyari man, you have lots of guests with you, lots of visitors. You have this type of sliding door with endless transition from your indoor to outdoor. And dito sa outdoor, you're still covered from outside elements through your canopy from your second level. And again, the focal point of this property, itong inyong covered swimming pool facing at the back of the property with those trees. No, ang ganda na very close to nature yung vibe. You also have your jacuzzi on the left side. What more can you ask for, di ba? Ganda in this space. You have this additional space pero mamaya na yan. Dito mo lang muna tayo. So if you're into alfresco dining and gusto niyo nakasara lang ito, pwede in this space. Ganda. And dito sa kabila is itong inyong main kitchen area. For your main kitchen, we have your U-shaped counter, quartz finish para dito sa inyong countertop. Lots of food preparation space. We also have these integrated appliances, itong inyong microwave and oven. Kasama na rin sa selling price itong inyong two-door refrigerator, your integrated induction cooktop together with your range hood, and lastly, your dishwasher. Ganda, no? And we have this granite sink with your faucet. Ang ganda in this space. And by the way, for your storage, for the base and hanging cabinets, these are, kakaiba yung ginamit nilang finishes dito, no? For your cabinet. Ang tawag nila dito is automotive paint. Para dito sa inyong mga cabinet, ang ginamit nila dito is yung pintura na pang sasakyan na niluto daw para mas kapit na kapit yung pintura and hindi mabilis mag-warp o hindi talaga nagwa-warp because parang sealed na yung kahoy sa loob ng cabinet. Ang ganda. So we have your soft door, soft close finish para sa inyong mga cabinets, ganun din with your drawers. Ayan, lagay ng inyong utensils or cutleries. For the backsplash marble finish, ayan, ganda. Additional texture to the space with your LED lights from your see-through cabinets. Very modern yung vibe in this house. And by the way, your automatic or automated switch, so mas madali magbukas or magpatay ng ilaw. So this is your door going here. So kunyari man, you have, again, lots of guests with you or ayaw nyo lang maamoy, ilulutuin nyo in your main kitchen, we have this space. So balik tayo dito sa back part of the property. Again, U-shaped counter for your auxiliary kitchen. Your breakfast nook, no? Ganda, no? While having your breakfast in this house or in this part of the property. Tapos you have those kind of view. Ganda. Integrated gas range or induction cooker. Well, mamili na lang kayo with your range hood. And again, under-mounted multi-purpose sink. And ito yung dinaanan naman natin kanina, no? We have your storage. Nandito yung inyong pressurized tank. And by the way, for the water heater nitong property, we have solar water heater. So in this space, around 2 meters yung setback nyo from the perimeter. So ang ganda ng cross ventilation and natural light in each window of this house. Ayan, so you have this additional storage space. Okay, so we're done here dito sa buong ground floor. Akyat naman tayo sa itaas. So before we go up, we have this Zen garden dito sa opening area nitong inyong stairs. Ang ganda, no? Again, lots of natural light coming from your fixed window dito sa facade ng property. And by the way, we have this control panel, no? Or itong inyong LED. So ito yung kinokontrol yung buong lighting of this house, even the sounds. Pwede in this monitor. Ayan. So may kasama na rin yung ano. Ayan. So, meron na rin siyang, kung gusto niyo magpatugtog ng music to set up the mood in this house, ayan, pwede in that panel. For our stairs, solid wood staircase, ganoon din with our riser and handrails with your tempered glass balustrades. Akit tayo. And here's the second floor, 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. We also have an access going to your balcony which provides or allows lots of natural light dito sa inyong hallway. Ganon din in this space. And of course, your indoor balcony with the commanding view dito sa inyong living and dining area. Again, lots of natural light in this space. Talagang sense of openness, talagang mapapahinga ka ng malalim. And in every corner of this house, ang aliwalas, ganon din with the cross ventilation. So this is your bedroom 2. Your queen size bed, side tables on either side, hanging lights, cove light, talagang titira na lang kayo dito with your personal things. Split type AC with your television set, and your ensuite toilet and bath with walk-in closet. Okay, so tingnan natin dito sa dulo. We have your bedroom 3 and 4. And sabi ko naman sa inyo, in every corner of this house, we have this type of panel board na napaka-high-end. Tingnan, ang ganda ng texture. Talagang hotel yung parang interior niya. Ang ganda. This is your bedroom 4 or your bedroom 3. So for the bedroom 3, again, you have your queen-size bed, built-in headboards with cove light, side table on other side, shelves, your sliding door. Tira natin to. Ayan. So, by the way, you have your sliding window, not sliding door. For your natural light, split type AC with your television set, your built-in cabinets, floor to ceiling, lots of storage space, and ganun din dito. So, you still have your walk-in closet, your lavatory, automatic water closet, and your shower space with enclosure. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga features na nilalagay nila para sa inyong mga built-in appliances and furnitures. Ang ganda, no? Mga nakalagay, furnitures. And on the other side, ito naman yung inyong master bedroom or your bedroom 4. We have this built-in shelves. Ang ganda, no? Parang study area or your office. Floor-to-ceiling see-through cabinets, location of your television set, your king-size bed, accent wall. Again, ang ganda in this space. Warm and cozy vibe coming from your track lights with cove light with your wood panels installed for your ceiling. Lots of windows on either side for your cross ventilation and natural light. Split type AC. Your accent chair, ang ganda rin. Wala na ako sinabi kung di maganda. And your balcony at the back of the property. So this is your walk-in closet. Lots of storage space. Floor to ceiling. Itong inyong mga cabinets, no? With soft close hinges. Your toilet and bath. Your dual undermounted sink with your vanity mirror. Again, your automatic water closet, your shower space with your bathtub. Ang ganda ng kanyang shower head, no? Okay, so akyat tayo dun sa inyong third floor. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window. And dito sa third floor, we have this only room. So, kunyari mambitin pa sa inyo yung 4 bedrooms, pwede nyong gamitin ito as bedroom 5. But currently, it is staged as your family area or the movie room. So, we already have, again, these furnitures and appliances. So, lahat yan kasama. You have your huge television set with built-in shelves. Cabinets on this side, floor to ceiling. Cove ceiling design with track lights installed on either side. What more can you ask for, di ba? And itong inyong mga even the blackout curtains kasama sa selling price. So you have this access going to your balcony from your sliding door. And by the way, for that sliding door, double glazed glass yung ginamit nila for the material use. Ang ganda ng insulation ng ganyang type of sliding doors, yung mga double glazed glass, around 70% nawawala yung tunog, no? So ganun din kapag maingay dito, hindi rinig sa labas. Ganun din with the temperature. You have your split type AC and your powder room. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung inyong balcony. Again, I'd like to highlight itong mga double glaze tempered glass. Ganda ng insulation yan. And speaking of insulation, alam nyo ba na ang bubong nito is clear roof tiles? Roughly around 2 million yung cost, no? Ganda rin ng insulation yan. So, yung init hindi nyo talaga ramdam sa loob ng bahay at hindi mo nga malalaman na umuulan ng malakas because of your clear roof tiles. For the outdoor flooring dito sa inyong balcony, homogeneous tiles, rough texture para of course kapag nababasa hindi madulas. Frameless tempered glass for your handrails. You also have itong inyong turf grass para additional texture and agad ng contrast din from your homogeneous tiles. Dito sa dulo, so if you have your guests with you and gusto nyo ma-experience yung outdoor with this kind of view, no, sa taas ng property, mas madali mag-serve ng guests with your kitchenette. Itong inyong mga, itong inyong countertop with your sink, some table, or itong inyong solid wood table, no, with your Ford refrigerator. Again, this area is enclosed or sarado, no, through your tempered glass and metal frame. So, mas madali mag-serve ng food dito sa inyong guests. And dito sa dulo, ito yung magiging room for your staff. Oh, so additional room pa. So, kunyari man you have your guests with you, pwede rito in this space. So, this is your bedroom 5. And yung bedroom na pinanggalingan natin is the family area talaga. Okay, so you have your floor to ceiling. Hindi ko kasi nadaanan to kanina eh. Your toilet and bath. And your console table. Ganda rin nung kanilang nilagay dito ng mga travertine na accent wall. So that's the storage na pwede rin gamitin ng inyong male staff. Ito naman yung magiging room for the female staff with your laundry. Well, ang ganda rin ng laundry nila, no? Talagang hindi makikita ng mga visitors nyo if nandun lang sila sa ibaba. So you also have some privacy for that. Their room and their toilet and bath. Oh, may string lights din. Ganda rin yan sa gabi. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new, fully furnished, modern Asian home located here in South Forbes, Silang, Cavite. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.